Welcome. Today we will be solving the challenge Where are the robots? From Pico CTF. The link provided in the challenge page brings us to this page asking where are the robots? And if you have ever handled CMS-based website made using WordPress, they all have a page named robots.txt instructs search engine bots, or crawlers, on how to index and crawl a website. Here in the robots.txt page we find a path directing to a HTML page. So let's follow it. And here we found our flag. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more such videos.